Everywhere bunches of collections. Yes, my friends, everywhere bunches of collections. New location, new varieties, new segment, new products. Yes, it's only from the right manufacturers, Kesaria. So Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets, walkable distance from railway station, and I'm your friend Rani Subramanian here. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I'm going to share with you some new exclusive varieties. As I showed you the bunches of western wear, today I brought for you the exclusive western wear collections. If I talk about these varieties, especially youngsters, college girls and the metro cities and the Singapore, Malaysia, Mauritius, Canada, US, there's all kind of varieties exporting from India. So these collections you can buy at customer friendly budget with the wholesale, sizes wise and the multi-colors wise. So subscribe the channel, resell us. If you are into western wear product business, we do have a western wear t-shirts, tops, casuals, 3/4, 1-piece, 2-piece, 3-piece, jeans, cotton, formal, semi-formal, semi-under bottoms. All these kind of varieties you can purchase from the right manufacturers, Kesaria. So quickly you can add into your business. I'm going to show you the exclusive variety. So these varieties, quickly by watching this video, take a screenshot and call the numbers and quickly place an order. Pan India, you have a COD options, 20 to 25,000, you can purchase minimum. Let's see the collections. The first pattern, very pretty color, the white color with the woolen based multicolor. You have a not sleeveless pattern. In this, you have a plain with the 3/4, you have a lining also white. These all western casual, these kind of western one piece with sleeveless, you can quickly purchase. You can see the knot over here. The knots, which is a designer knot, you can see. So these are which is highlighted. If I talk about the next pattern, the next pattern is you have an onion pinkish color with the designer chunky work with the handwork pattern. The sleeves, the layer sleeves you have here, and you have a beautiful gown pattern. These kind of collections also you can purchase. Jacket pattern, you have a crop top jacket, white color. You have a beautiful color combination. The buttons, you have an embroidery pattern of these sleeveless part. You have these varieties. You have a lining part also. In this, you can purchase. This is a jacket pattern. This is a crop top. This kind of collections also you can purchase. If I talk about this variety, satin, the party wear. The party wear, very pretty. The stretchable. This is a beautiful variety. In this you have a multiple color option. Sleeves pattern, full collar sleeves, and you have a dotted. So beautiful, very pretty circle pattern. Lightweight satin based with this is a one of the full sleeves pattern. This is also new varieties. When I talk about these collections, very pretty. So you have a double shade. All these stylish one piece with the layers. These collections you can purchase actually. So when you are a reseller, you always try to have a new varieties, new collections. Even is a like this digital printed kesar color with the baby pink color combination. Very pretty design, very beautiful color combination. These all varieties, and the butterfly sleeves you can see here. Very pretty. These collections also you can purchase. And if I talk about the Jaipuri pattern, we do have a Jaipuri pattern, casual and stylish one piece. This is one of the Mehndi green color. So only Jaipuri pattern thread work and embroidery base. This is a work which has been done. The layers of the frills pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, you have a dark purple color. Embroidery which is highlighted with a semi collar. You have a sober variety of the crush fabric. This also you can purchase. All these varieties you can quickly you can purchase from Kesaria at only customer friendly budget. Khadi cotton, you have a khadi cotton alia cut pattern design with a coffee brownish color with blue color combination, and you have a this is a every one piece you have a lining, no need to worry about the transparent. Lavender color, you have a highlighted with a white color thread work, which is a hand work, which is high waist highlighted with the embroidery thread, which is collars. You can see the collars and the stretchable puffs which you can see here. These are our unique designs and varieties you can quickly purchase. If I talk about very sober and the pastel color, I do have a pastel color, this pattern, very for the youngsters, slim, teen girls, college girls, tuition girls, and even the housewives who have very thin personality, who are very slim personality, they also even purchase and they wore in the house. So these kind of all very beautiful cream color with a maroon color shade, crush crunchy fabric. So this is a highlighted semi pads you can see over here. So there is a multi-layer, multi-cloth which is covered. So to avoid transport. So these all varieties, and we do have these are all the new segment. You can see the t-shirts, crop tops and the one piece sizes, varieties for the IT software company people and resellers. If you want to invest on Western also, you can buy around 1.5 lakh to 1 lakh. You can purchase and you can plan your, if you have a space, you can convert into shop, into showroom. You can do online purchase by doing online business also. So there is no doubt about the quality or the quantity. Kesaria is giving always you the best products, best service, even online purchase, offline purchase, visit purchase, video calling purchase, pan India COD available and worldwide shipping also available. Advance payments you can do 1 lakh Indian currency and you can place an order. Hope you enjoyed this collection. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it, follow, subscribe and share with everyone. Don't forget to share your city and your name in the comment box. So keep supporting. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.